When you hear that sound, you know what time it is. So all my Jamaicans, horse racing lovers, listen, this is not my thing, but I'm doing it just for you. You have requested, so I'm answering the call. I am bringing back all the races from this season. I am going to post all the replays and I am going to let you know who was the big winner on that day. For each races, the person who won the race. And a lot of our Jamaicans, jockey won. Big win for them. So guess what? The least you can do for me is subscribe to the channel. Comment, spam up the comment section. Just flood pure comments of your favorite jockey. Also, like the video. At over 10K views on my previous videos, and I only have 3K subscriber. That means we need at least 7K subscribers. So 7,000 people have not yet subscribed to the channel. So subscribe, no man. So subscribe so I can bring you all the races. Take care and watch. Watch to the end. Oh, hey! People, let me apologize for the audio. So for this race, race number one, let me let you know the Jamaicans that are in the race. So we have in number three, we're in blue, Orlando Faster. Number two, we're in white, Laris Allen. Number five, in the green, Garfield Garden. And number six in black, Blandford Stewart. And Orlando Faster, he took the win for this one. Race number one, Orlando Faster. For race number two, we have Andre Powell in the orange, Orlando Foster in black, Trevor Simpson in red, and Anthony Allen in yellow. For race number two, Andre Powell, he took the win for this one. Race number two, Andre Powell. For race number three, in the blue we have Trevor Simpson, green Garfield Garden, yellow is a Mexican Jose Roca, and in white is Laris Ali. You have Trevor Simpson in the blue. He took the win for race number three. For race number four, in the blue we have Andre Powell. In the white is Trevor Simpson. In red, that's a Mexican. And in green is Orlando Faster. For race number four, coming in at first place is Andre Powell. For race number five, in the green we have Orlando Foster. In the red is Laris Allen. In blue, Garfield Gordon, and in black, Trevor Simpson. For race number 5, coming in at first place is Orlando Faster with another win. In race number 6, in the green, we have Trevor Simpson. In white, Andre Powell. In red, Ocean Nugent. And in black is a Mexican. And for race number 6, we have Trevor Simpson with another win. And for the final race of the day, in the orange you have Orlando Fester, in green Ryan Nelson, and in pink and yellow are two Mexicans. And for the final race of the day, we have Orlando Faster with another win. And here are the winners of the day. Thank you so much for watching.